What does it take to build the ultimate music production PC? In this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed a basic PC build into a powerhouse that's perfect for any producer. Now, this is a pro-level studio beast, and it's also for serious 8K video editing. So let's dive into the process and see how you can do it too. If you want to do what I did, this is where you want to be. All right, cyberpc.com. So here you go to Easy PC. I wanted the ability to customize a custom-made computer. Here you can set your budget, answer some basic questions, just so that I have a template for you as you go in. Or you can just go, or you can just go to find your perfect PC. All right, and then you click. You go to start, desktop. You go to next. For this part, I left the budget as is, just for now. So it didn't matter what the price was or what the template was. I was going to change it anyway. Next. Here, you want to choose a game. So I chose this one. And I went to next. Intel, I already knew what I wanted. And then show results. Go a little bit, go over here, hit confirm, and the changes or updates, right? And I knew what I wanted, I just didn't know what the template was at the time. Now that I know and I've done it, I know exactly where to go. So I'm saving you guys some time if you decide that you want to do this. All right, so here we go, load more. Scroll all the way down the bottom. And I chose this one right here. And I went to, you can go to shop. Right, now notice this. The computer already had $300 off. Shop. Now you're in it. It's $10.95. Correct? Okay, good. Now let's start the customization. Now we're at the very, very top. This is a custom keyboard. Chose the keyboard. And the mat is free. It's huge. 14 by 12. What? So I chose it. It's free. Why not? It's free. Now watch this. When you see hot, you want to check it out. It says extra $50 instant off on all gaming desktops. I said, what? So I chose it. And the price dropped. Right there. The price dropped. $50. Oh, this is getting better. Now let's go choose the case, which is the gaming chassis. I knew I wanted something very psychedelic. And then I picked this. Ooh, what the hell is that? When you click on this, watch here. When you click, boom, it updates. $6 more for a white case, all glass, $6 more. See what happens. Boom, changed. Now that's looking crazy, right? That's just sick. Okay, let's go to the next section. Case fans. All right. Well, I knew the cooler would have 3, so that's not going to be part of it. I also knew the case didn't come with its own fans. So we were going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fans. Knew that I was going to need some fans, but I wasn't too sure about the configuration. So I knew I had to have 2 intake fans and 3 intake fans on the bottom. So that's 5 intake fans, right? These fans are going to be from the cooler. And then that extra fan, all these right here were going to be exhaust fans. 4 exhaust and 5 intakes for a total of 9 fans. But so far, I didn't have any fans. So I scrolled down and I chose the 6-pack. 6-pack. Funny, right? For an additional $54. Perfect. So what's the price again? It's $10.80 right now. Click. And the price jumped to $11.34. The CPU, I came over here and I chose the i7 1300K and instant $100 off. Moved on to the next section, which is the CPU. Sorry, is the CPU pump and the CPU fan and exhaust. Right, we need 3 fans. So these are 2s, old 2s. Oh my gosh, it's gone. They don't have it anymore. I'm sorry, guys. Because when I bought mine, the fans were freaking $37. Kind of like one of these, but it was white. I'm sorry, guys. I'm making the video much like 2 weeks later. Because I got my PC on the 16th. And today is the 26th, so 10 days ago. I'm so sorry, guys. So we're gonna have to choose a basic one for right now. Let's just choose this one, just to fill the gap. All right, guys. All right, so we're gonna choose that one. All right, because we have to have a fan, otherwise you won't be able to check out. All right, so we just use that for now. I'll show you the fan that I got. I'll show you to you later, guys. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's done. Well, this will just give you an idea of how it's done anyway. So, because we're not going to buy this. I'm just showing you how to stack it up together, right? Because all you have to do is follow each of these right here. We move on to the GPU. Chose the 4060 Ti, this one right here. But I chose the cheapest one. So this one, I got this one. All right. So it gives you another $50 off. Boom. And I got one more thing, which is the 850 watt standard. So I got that one. The power, the PSU. I got the PSU. That one's standard. And I think I got one more thing here. Oh, yeah. So you're thinking, how about the memory? I got the motherboard as well. The MSI Z790. Where is it? Oh, it's already part of it. There you go. Boom, done. Guesswork taken out. And I got the memory, the basic 16 gig memory that it came with, because you can't buy the computer without the memory, so I had to sacrifice that because I already have a 96 gig 5800 megahertz 5600 megahertz that I picked up for $264 plus tax, roughly about $300 from Amazon. And then the next thing is the hard drive. So I chose the 2 terabyte Samsung. Where'd you go? That one. Let's see, 2 terabyte Samsung at 7,000 megabytes per second. Let me say that again. 7,000 megabytes per second. Blazing fast as F. Or only $91 more. This is already part of it. Obviously, there you go. It says included in price. And then that's it. No monitors. I already have all that stuff. So, nope. What I didn't realize at the time was that the whole system came with its own keyboard. So when I got the packet and I had 2 keyboards, I'm like, oh, they gave me one. No, yeah, I just bought an extra one for $5. And when I checked the price online, I think it was like $80-something. I'm like, holy smokes. Anyway, so that's that. Skip. Headphones, nope. Mics, nope, nothing. Just, we're checking out. Nope, none of that. Nope. We're moving on. Okay, and here we are. So I chose the $49 3-day shipping. All right. Now, at the time that I purchased mine, it was 1680. But bottom line, this is how you shop here if you want to buy a system such as this. Now, let's go to my order that I placed. I'll blur the name, okay? You understand, for privacy reasons. Oh, I didn't even log in. Hang on. I have an account. All right. Back up, guys. Close your eyes. All right, here we go. See, the total price was $1680 for just the basic computer that I got. But I knew I was going to customize this, so it's $1680. Right? So you see, all the stuff I chose. Now the cooler that I chose. Remember I told you. See, the fan was the Deep Cool. That's the model number right there. But look at the price. It was $37 more. It was only $37, but they don't have them anymore, unfortunately. Right? And look, 2 terabytes. Boom. Subtotal was $1680. Of course, you got to pay tax, $140. And the shipping, 3-day shipping was $99. They gave me another $75 off. That's a discount. And I'll tell you one more thing. When they shipped the computer to me, they were 1 day late by their production standards because they said it would take 5 days to put the computer together. It took them 6. They were going to ship the computer out the 7th day out, right? From the build. 1 day after, but 1 day late. Guess what they did? Instead of shipping the computer out to me in 3 days, they shipped that sucker overnight. Oh, I was at work when the computer landed because I work from home. When the computer landed, it was like, what just happened? The computer was huge. Sorry, I'm still excited. Anyway, so now you know. I'll give you a conclusion of what I experienced at the end. So stay with me. I have some things I got to say. Okay, so if you want to buy this, you need to know the complete experience. All right, so I'll keep this short. So we got 3 of these. So that's 12 terabytes. And remember, I already had 2 terabytes for the operating system in the computer. So that's a total of 14 terabytes of storage. This is the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, 96 gig. So we have 2 times 48 gig modules at 5600, and that's true because I clocked it. And there you have it. I also purchased 3 of these, and that's the heat sink for the hard drives. These things, you remember, the hard drives are red, right? And I have a white build, right? You can't just stick a red hard drive in the computer. It's gonna stick out like a sore thumb. So I decided to encase them in these, and they're cheap, just $6 each. So I got 3 of them, and that's everything I purchased.